believe the small things are the most meaningful. So I simply enjoy fresh, sparkling water with a nearly extinct friend. By the way, one SodaStream bottle can save...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know, thousands?
Yeah, thousands of single-use plastic bottles.
And now you can sip in style with the new SodaStream Terra, the newly designed, most convenient, next-generation, most awesome sparkling water maker ever.
I just saved the planet.
Shop SodaStream Terra, the best way to make...